In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Wix, a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Integrating these platforms will enable you to process payments seamlessly through your Wix site, which is a game changer for any small business or online store. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to wix.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you're going to land on your Wix dashboard. This is the control center where you can manage and update all aspects of your website. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because understanding where things are located will make managing your website much easier. When you're ready, locate the menu on your dashboard and click on Settings. This section houses all the configurations you can adjust for your site. Inside the settings, you should see a category labeled Accept Payments. You'll want to click on this, as it's the section where we'll be setting up the Square integration. This is where you manage how customers can pay for products or services on your site, and setting it up correctly ensures a smooth payment process for your customers. Before you go any further, ensure that your location settings are accurate. For this integration, you need to make sure your region is set to the United States. This is crucial because Square support can be region specific, and currently this integration is supported for users in the US. Take a quick look at your settings to confirm everything is in order. Once verified, scroll down and click on See More Payment Options. This link will bring you to a list of various payment methods that Wix supports. Here, you are going to look for Square among the options. This list contains many payment solutions, so feel free to explore others that might meet different needs in the future. Upon finding Square in the payment options, select it. You should then see a Connect button. Click on the Connect button to begin the integration process. A series of prompts will guide you through connecting your Square account with your Wix account. During this step, you'll be asked to log into your Square account and authorize the connection. It's a straightforward process, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once connected, Square will be added as a payment option on your Wix site, allowing you to accept credit card payments with ease, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Square with your Wix account. This setup not only simplifies payment processing for your customers, but also helps streamline your business operations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy selling.